Have you ever wondered why your website traffic is high but conversions are not keeping up? It's not just about traffic, it's about alignment. That's where a semantic conversion path analyzer comes in. Today, we'll explore how this tool helps evaluate content alignment, section roles, and conversion readiness so every visitor knows exactly what to do next. So now, what is a semantic conversion path analyzer? Let's break it down. What does a semantic conversion path analyzer actually do? It analyzes if your content sections serve their intended purpose. It evaluates whether headlines, paragraphs, and CTAs match user intent. It measures conversion readiness across your pages. Think of it as a microscope for your website, examining every paragraph, headline, and button to ensure they are driving action. So now, the cost of misaligned content. Here is a common scenario. Your homepage has a strong hero message, but the supporting sections are inconsistent. Users call, get confused, and leave. That's lost opportunity. Misaligned sections equal to dropping conversions. Confusing content equal to lower engagement. And unclear call to action equal to abandoned funnels. A semantic conversion path analyzer speaks that the gaps explains exactly what sections are underperforming and why. So now, let's discuss about the key features and benefits. Here is what you gain from using this tool. Number 1. Content alignment analysis. It ensures messaging supports your conversion goal. Second, section role and identifications. It checks whether each section is informative, persuasive, and functional. Number 3. Conversion readiness score. It highlights areas ready to convert, those needing improvement. So no more guessing, you get actionable insights to optimize your content efficiently. Think of your website as a map and visitors are as a travelers. The semantic conversion path analyzer ensures the path is clear, intuitive, and leads directly conversion. It guides visitors from awareness to action smoothly. It reduces bounce rates and improving clarity. It boosts ROI by optimizing key conversion points. By aligning content, clarify section roles, and evaluating conversion readiness, you are not just improving your website, you are creating a conversion machine. So, optimization does not stop once you fix your website. The semantic conversion path analyzer helps you monitor changes over time so you can continuously improve your content conversion strategically. By regularly analyzing how each section performs, you can spot trends, adjust messaging, and refine calls to action to keep your audience engaged, whether you are launching a new campaign or updating your homepage. The tool ensures that every change supports your ultimate conversion goals, and it's not just about fixing problems, it's about staying ahead of the curve and making data-driven decisions that boost ROI consistently. Turn visitors into loyal customers. Leverage a semantic conversion path analyzer, align your content, clarify your sections, and watch your conversion grow. If you found this video helpful, do like, comment, and share with your friends.